Hey! Welcome to the Loft. Those of you who have been here know what I'm talking about. Those of you who haven't, this is a room located 45 feet above the ground with excellent mountain views. It is up on the side of a mountain and it has pretty good acoustics, which is why we're here. So this is our acoustic testing video.
They have what it takes.
Yeah, we are selling them in 3 days, something like that. I worked myself pretty hard to get this done. It was a challenge.
I've got a spruce top, fir back with birch end plates, birch neck, and birch fingerboard, 2 PAF humbucker pickups, 2 volumes for the pickups, 1 tone and 1 switch. I wanted a really clean look on the front, so I've recessed my pickups from the back so that I don't have any mounting hardware on the front at all. Very clean and simple look, which I tried to bring out the wood as best I could.
Okay, so for my guitar, I've gone with a birch top. It's an inverted model, so it actually has a spruce back and it has cottonwood sides. This is stained to be more rustic, so I have kind of a rustic look going on. Walnut and birch laminated fretboard, and just a small piece of aspen on the top here to just color match the top. Yeah, birch pick guard on this one, and really basic hardware, tone knob volume, and a mini humbucker for the pickup, just a single pickup on this one. Actually, this entire model is designed for durability. Some unique features on it. It actually has a profile. If you look at it here, the sides are curved. They have a 12-inch radius on them, something like that. It has a belly carve on the back, just a small, shallow one, but enough that it's noticeable when you play it.
When I picked up your guitar earlier today, I was really struck by how much sustain it had.
It does have sustain, yeah. If we plug it in, you'll be able to hear it, but even without it plugged in, it just keeps going and going. It's nice for me because I'm actually getting the feedback through the sound hole.
Yeah.
Let me just bring up one more thing that I did. Mike did a really good job on this guitar. It looks super clean, super white, and I know that's a very challenging thing to do in a build, is to make something like crisp and clean. It's much easier to make it rustic, to be honest. He took the all-in approach on that guitar, and I did the complete opposite. And I spread myself super thin and managed to come up with a second guitar. And I have that here as well, if you guys like to see that one.
Yeah, let's pull it up here. I'll hold this one. I'll take
Alright.
this one here.
Whoa, okay. This one has a hardwood on the back, which is super flashy. This is a piece of figured aspen. This is like a thin, low profile body, and it is also cottonwood. This is a piece of wood that actually ignited on our CNC machine. If you've seen our build video, you can listen to me talk about why that can happen. Then there is a roasted spruce top, more traditional pick guard, and then I have an applewood fretboard with mahogany binding and a little bit of walnut for the inlays, all on a birch neck. Quite pretty, actually. Yeah, this one turned out quite well, in my opinion. It's quite nice. So this is a P90 pickup. These are nice Japanese knobs. They're quite good, and it's got Goto hardware as well. So everything on this is a little bit higher end and a little bit nicer. It looks like it's bound, like a heavy binding, but this is actually a paint that I put on here, and quite a bit of time messing around making it look like binding. And I think I did a pretty good job from afar, and if you get close you can tell it's not binding.
So you bound the fretboard, which is something that we had not ever tried to do before.
Yeah, that was the first training.
And how much time do you have into binding the fretboard?
Many hours. Yeah, I lost a lot of time on this fretboard. The neck itself is pretty nice. And then some other details that took a long time were just actually the pickguard setups and everything like that. Both of these pickguards had to be different because they're holding up the pickup, so they have to be fitted to the pickup, and everything is kind of custom. So you have some numbers in your pocket.
Yeah, I have some exciting numbers. So I just wanted to talk about what these guitars weigh. So we'll start off with mine. 6 pounds, 3 ounces is what this guitar weighs.
That's pretty light, I think,
Yeah.
for a guitar. There's a lot of solid body guitars where the body weight is that. Just the body.
Yeah. This one here, you suddenly go down to 5 pounds, 7 ounces.
Yeah, that's doesn't sound like a lot, but that's pretty significant, I think.
Yeah. But then,
What do we have here, Mike?
then we get to this one. So this is a thinner profile and spruce top. It is very light at 4 pounds, 15 ounces.
Yes, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Wow.
So anyone that knows guitars knows
Yeah.
how light that is. For perspective, I have a Fender Strat, like a completely normal Fender Strat, swamp ash body, and I weighed that. It came in at 7 pounds, 13 ounces, so almost 8 pounds. So
Whoa.
this guitar is almost 2 pounds lighter than that.
A double humbucker, I would say, would give you definitely another pound.
Yeah.
So comparably, I think
I
between
was,
this and that one, I would say they're essentially the same weight, other than the fact that there's, one more
electronics.
pickup, one more really heavy pickup in there.
This one
This
was
is
truly
ultra-
eye-opening. If you take Fender Strat and then you pick up this thing,
You're gonna be like,
it's the thing's gonna fly away. I think the heaviest thing on this entire guitar is these tuners.
Yeah, it basically wants to be like,
Yeah, you
tip
can
forward.
You can feel the thing. It's like that's where the weight is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, everything on here is roasted. It's got like roasted body, roasted top. Everything caught on fire at some point, so it's basically very dry and very light. Oh, it's a cool story. Let's do some audio samples here, guys. Let's actually test the sound quality. Let's get right into that. It's a drum. I think I'll switch to the other guitar, to be honest. I played this one quite a bit already.
I feel like I'm so out of practice. I've been building guitars.
I haven't played in 2-3 weeks.
You can't play a guitar that has strings on it.
Yeah. Trade?
Yeah. I want to try that one.
Mike's been waiting for this for
So I originally wanted
Maybe,
P90s in my guitar. I had my heart set on them. Like I've never played anything that's even close to this. It feels like I'm holding like a large ukulele.
pretty lucky on the setup on this one. What can I give you? I'll give you this.
So responsive. I can go from it's just like hot.
Yeah.
Just tames it right down.
Very nice guitar. Would recommend.
Well, David, we've broken our guitars in a little bit. Should we take our show on the road?
And we'll see you all at the Edmonton Guitar Show. Let's find out if our guitars are actually worth anything.
A reminder, we won't just have guitars there. We're going to have acoustic guitar tops, which we are super proud of. And we're going to have some electric guitar body blanks as well, and some of the same body blanks that we've been using, so you can build your own guitar. It's like IMAX.
Yeah. It's very loud with the headphones on. If we could get that audio to you guys behind the camera, it would blow your guys' mind. But while you're playing, it is just like, whew, so punchy.
Mmm.